In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, পরম করুণাময়, অতিশয় দয়াবান আল্লাহর নামে শুরু করিলাম। Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear viewers and students, today I am in my basic English class and I have an intention to teach you sentence. And at the beginning, I would like to tell you the definition of sentence. That is, a group of words expresses a complete idea is called a sentence. Now, there are 5 types of sentences as per meaning, that is assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory. Now let us look at the whiteboard. A group of words expresses a complete idea is called a sentence. I repeat, a group of words expresses a complete idea is called a sentence. Now there are 5 types of sentences. These are assertive. Now, assertive sentence is used to express declaration or assertion of a statement. That is, it declares or asserts a statement. Example, I eat rice, you play cricket, we enjoy life. These are actually the examples of assertive sentences. Now, interrogative. Interrogative sentence is used to ask question. Now, there are 2 types of questions, that is yes no question, and another type of questions are WH questions. Now yes no question and WH question. So interrogative sentence are of 2 types. That is, there are 2 types of interrogative sentences. Now imperative sentence, it is used to give order or to express forbiddance, and also it is used to do request. That is, by imperative sentence we can order, we can forbid and we can request. Now optative sentence, by using optative sentence we pray, we wish. That is, may Allah bless you, I wish you all around prosperity, this type of. Now exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences are used to express sudden expression of mind. Now let us write some examples by using the sentences. That is, assertive sentence, it is used to express declaration or assertion of a statement. Now let us write a statement by assertive sentence. This is, I eat rice, you help me, we go there. That is, earlier I told you that the definition of assertive sentence is, assertive sentence is used to express any statement of mind. That is, it declares or asserts a statement. So I eat rice is a statement, you help me is another statement, we go there another statement. Now let us go to interrogative sentence. I told you that by using interrogative sentence we ask question. Now by using interrogative sentence let us write some sentences. That is, number 1, who comes here. This one is actually a WH question. Now another interrogative sentence can be, do you eat rice? Number 3, are you happy? Now we can make a lot of interrogative sentences as per our requirement. Now there are 9 WH questions. If we consider that first WH question is who, it can be who are you. Now if we consider that whom is the second WH question, whom do you want? Now if I say that whose, now whose pen is this? Now if I make a sentence by using why do you eat? If I make a sentence by using which pen do you like best? Now I can make another WH question by using how. It can be told, how are you? These are actually the interrogative sentences and these are of WH questions. Now let us go to imperative sentence. That is, the imperative sentence is used to give us order, to express forbiddance or to use request. Now let us give an order. Do the work. It is actually an order. Now forbiddance. Do not run in the sun. Now let us make a request. It can be written, please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please help me. Now I told you that by using imperative sentence we actually express any order, forbiddance or request. So order, do the work. Forbiddance, do not run in the sun. Request, please help me. Now let us go to operative sentence. By operative sentence we actually pray for other or others. That is, we wish for someone. Now let us write example. May Allah bless you. We frequently use this sentence for others. So may Allah bless you. Another sentence, long live our president. President. Now may you prosper in life. These are actually our wish, and at the time of praying for others we use this it can be said operative sentence. So let us give some more example. May Allah bless you. Long live our president. May you be happy. May you get all around prosperity in your life. These are actually operative sentences. Now let us go to exclamatory. Now by using exclamatory sentence we actually express certain expression of our mind. That is, we express emotion of our mind. Now let us make some sentences. Alas, I am undone. Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, I am undone. Hurrah, we have won the match. What a pity. How nice the bird is. Let us write another example. How, H-O-W, how nice the bird is. Alas, I am undone. Hurrah, we have won the match. What a pity. How nice the bird is. Now, dear viewers and students, today's class was regarding sentence, and at the beginning I told you that a group of words expresses a complete idea is called a sentence. Now there are 5 types of sentences. These are assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative and exclamatory. Now before ending the class, let us have a look on the definition of the sentences again. Assertive is used to express a statement. That is, I am happy, you are reading, the sun rises in the east. These type of sentences are actually of assertive sentences. Now interrogative. By using interrogative sentence we actually ask question, and there are also 2 types of interrogative questions. These are yes no question and another one is WH question. Now imperative. By using imperative sentence we actually give order and we also forbid something, and at the same time we actually request something by using imperative sentence. Now, optative sentence. By using optative sentence, we pray and we wish for somebody else. Now, may Allah bless you. Long live our president. Now, long live our democracy. May you be happy. May Allah bless you. These are actually the examples of optative sentence. Now, exclamatory. Now, when we are actually in a position to express something quickly or suddenly, then we use exclamatory sentence. Say, by seeing a joyous scene, we can say, hurrah! And if we are in a position to meet something sorrowful incident, then alas, the old man is dead. This type of. So, how nice the bird is, we use to express our joyful expression. What a pity, sorrowful incident. These are actually the sudden expression of mind. So, at the time of expressing our sudden expression, we can use exclamatory sentence. Now, this is actually all for today, and very soon I'm coming with some more classes. And earlier I told you that I have an intention to declare all the grammatical matters of English language. So you are requested to remain with me, and let us wait for the next class. Until then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.